Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Lauk and this is Play Along tutorial for Romanze, or Movement 2 of Sonatina in G major by Ludwig van Beethoven. You can find this piece on page 22, Develop an Artist Series book number 2 by Faber and Faber. So before we start, look at the key signature. It's 6-8. You would have to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's start with slower version. Play hands separately. I always recommend to start with left hand. And when you feel comfortable putting hands together. If you're already comfortable with piece, fast forward to the faster version of that. Okay? 1, 2, 3. If you notice, I didn't take any repeats, and I recommend to practice it like this for now. When you will be, let's say, performing for a solo recital or for a competition, for something serious, so go ahead and put the repeats in. For now, you can just let them go. So why Romanze? Why Romanze called Romanze? So it's a adorable little musical number that would usually have to sing. This melody is easily singable. Try it. You can easily imagine it being sung on a stage, on some kind of opera, or under a balcony, just sing about love. So make sure when you play in your right hand, which carries the melody, very important part, that all of your phrases are cushioned at the end. Never play like this. it's easy to play like this because you're playing with a thumb on the end of the phrase. And thumb is kind of thick and strong and wants to do its strong work. But you're not gonna let it. You're gonna play like this. 1, 2, 3. You see what I'm doing? I'm taking my head up like this. Almost like I'm trying to open a bottle or something with the bottle opener, right? That's the, or I roll it in, okay? So if you roll in very fast, you will get a forceful sound. But if you do it like this, 1, 2, 3, if you cushion it, take it slower, then you're gonna make a beautiful ending taper in the phrase. It's gonna look like a ornament on the cake. So make sure your cake's ornament not gonna do like don't play it like this. Play beautifully and delicately. So another little adorable detail, if you look at left hand measure 1, 2, 3, you will see that the bottom voice, the bass, you got to hold it, but the top 2 voices, they play like this. You let them go. It's almost like you have an orchestra in your left hand. Your, let's say, bassoon goes poo, and your clarinets go poo, 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 poo. So it's a full-blown orchestra here. Another little great detail. Look at measure 17. In left hand, you have the squiggly thing, right? What does it mean? It's called arpeggiato. It's an Italian word. It means you would play chord not together like this. You would arpeggiate it, like you would play an harp, or the guitar. You would strum the strings all one after another. So you would play D, F sharp, A, and C like this. And you would still hold of them. So you would still hold all those notes so you can carry the sound on like this. And make sure to start playing your D before the first beat. So if you play the pickup to measure 17 like this, 4, 5, 6, and 1. 4, 5, 6, 1. So your 1 is gonna coincide with your thumb in the left hand and your pinky in right hand. So 4, 5, 6, 1. So on the 6, you have to make a prep in your left hand. 4, 5, 6. You see what my left hand is doing? It's doing a prep. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Prep again. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And on measure 19, you will see this kind of thing on the E and on the left hand chord as well. That's fermata. Fermata, it's like a high note for a singer who gets to show off a little bit. So he would sing da 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 dee to show off the beauty of your voice, right? So you have to wait on this note. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And then you keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at measure 21. There's poco ritenuta and diminuendo. You would play 1, 2, 3. And then you hang everyone on anticipation because you just played this note. What is going to happen next? And then you keep going like this. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more comment and we'll go on with a faster tempo. Look at tricky rhythm, measure 30. So measure 30, I'm gonna play it for you slowly so you can get the rhythm first. So it's gonna be like this. Pick up to measure 30, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 1. So 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. So this ornamentation is almost like a laughter. Ha 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 ha. You would go ha 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 ha. And also look at measure 34. It starts the same. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and it ends differently. You have ha 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 ha, the dotted ribbon measure 30, but at 34 you have the straight rhythm. Ha 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 ha. So make sure to make a difference in between those two. Okay, are you ready for the performance tempo? Performance tempo is moderato. So moderato means moderately. You wouldn't play it too fast because the singer doesn't want to sing like this. Da 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 da. It would lose its gentleness, its beauty if you sing it too fast, okay? You want to sing it so adorably that everyone is going to fall in love with you immediately after you sing it, okay? So make your right hand sing. Here's your tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to try a faster tempo. Why? Because we want to try all kind of interpretations and see if it's going to work for this piece. Because sometimes slower tempo is more appropriate. Sometimes you're going to feel a moment and you want to move the tempo along. Okay? So let's try faster tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can the tempo be that fast? Maybe it works for you. Maybe if you can make it delicate and swinging and dancing and swirling, that's going to work for this piece. So try it both ways. Try it in more modern tempo. Try it in faster tempo. So did you notice that I made a mistake in left-handed measure 22? I think my cat noticed. She just came here. Hey, come here. Come here. Do you want to stay with us? Do you want to play a little bit? So I made a mistake. I played my left hand like this. instead of. So try not to follow this along. Make sure you play your left hand correctly. So good luck with this piece. I'm looking forward to hear you playing it.